welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. We are on day 3 of the Orlando trip, and Kat grew a couple inches overnight. Oh no. We are having a late morning. It's almost 12 because we had to check out and I'm ready to sleep in, repack. We are checking into our new resort today, so we're just wasting time. We're gonna go eat lunch at Morimoto. Brendan got to pick. He said he always wanted to try it. And just shop. Anything to add? So Brendan chose this place. Do you want to explain how you chose it or what you say right now?
You gave me a list of restaurants. This is one of them. I didn't check the menu to see if anything that you would like, but you gave this as an option.
That's true, that's true.
So,
It's technically on. Here's the menu. Brendan's gonna get the spicy tuna. I don't really eat sushi. Oh,
sorry.
and then we tried the pork dumplings. The other one sounds interesting. And then he recommended the Peking duck, but I don't eat duck. I don't know about Brendan. He also recommended the ribs, so we're gonna try ribs. And then there's other items, but
We're doing the burrito.
oh, very bad. But he also said Peking duck. And then there's drinks. Pork dumplings out here. I don't know if you can see the steam, but there's steam coming. Oh yeah, you can see it. Okay, so we just came back from Morimoto lunch. How much was the total? 55 plus tip. We ordered 3 things. We would recommend the ribs, 100%. Everything else was okay. It was a little expensive for what it was, and we felt weird with the service. It might just be us. We just felt a little weird, right? I don't know what it was. Little off.
Sweet food.
I even felt like, did I not order enough? Is that why? I don't know. It was a little bit weird. But overall, it was good. It was a little expensive. The ribs, though, are so good. So if you're okay with being judged a little bit, just go get the ribs. Oh, he's looking at the menu. We went to Gideon's. Brendan had never been inside. So he got cake.
Yeah, baby ribs.
And now we're looking for drinks. Next stop was Homecoming. Also a first for Brendan. He got the hooch. The hooch. And he thinks it's alright.
It's good. It's very sweet, which I like. I was just worried that I was drinking all the sweetener, and then you're stuck with whatever.
Yeah. I got the punch. I don't know what it's called.
Have you tried this one?
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah. But right now my tongue, I cut my tongue if I haven't told you guys that. So, sorry. So I am a little bit off. And anything citrusy really hurts. So, punch. Somehow it's okay. We're just gonna shop now. It's very quiet. Perfect time to come. Brendan does not like the Gideon's bag. I think it's gorgeous.
Cool and all, but it's huge.
He got the Yasaki.
God, this is hotter than the freaking outside. My body doesn't understand what I'm doing. Fucking warm.
What does it look like? Ah. Oh. Okay. Back to you. With the news. Okay, so I didn't try it, but Brendan did, and he said they were okay. Would you get them again? How much were they? 8? 6? Would you recommend them? So they're so-so.
One's like sausage pizza. This one's like barbecue chicken.
The barbecue chicken is better?
Yeah, it's not bad. It's just not the one restaurant that I hope we're going to. That brought me happiness with that bow. This is good. It's just not. It's missing that X factor.
Okay. So good, not great. After we head over to World of Disney, we did some light shopping and then our room was ready and it was so hot because it was like middle of the day, so we decided to go back. But first we picked up some chicken guy before we headed back to the hotel room, and then we ate our chicken guy. Brendan's favorite thing he ate was the shake. It's like a cinnamon toast crunch with Applejack shake. It's his favorite. And then we slept for like 3 to 4 hours and that was the rest of the day. I hope you enjoyed our quick morning at Disney Springs. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see the rest of our days at Disney World and Universal Studios. And until next time, adios.